Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy. Calculating travel time between highway mile markers is easy if you follow these steps. Let's find the missing code to get the correct hours quickly. To calculate the travel time, we first find the distance by subtracting the markers. We must use the absolute value of the difference to ensure our distance is always a positive number. Option C is correct because it divides that absolute difference by 60.0. Using a double literal ensures the division results in a precise decimal value instead of a truncated integer. Option B is incorrect because it divides only the second marker by 60, ignoring the order of operations needed to find the total distance first. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Watch signs and avoid rush. Trust given info and check steps for success.